La perra loca. Miren la cara que tienen. Yep.
I think they pressed their puppy's mute button.
But still going along like a champ. Respect my guy.
Check it out.
Happy birthday, dear girl. Oh no!
Bad dog.
Huh?
Everyone deserves a friend who would stand between them and the world when it matters.
And a lust for blood. Teeth like razors.
Dreams, and Mom canceled the subscription.
The dog doesn't see differences. It only sees a tiny heart in need of care.
Guess who's completely mortified after doing something incredible?
Buddy.
Make a circle, make a circle. Get him out.
When a puppy says this is his favorite swimming pool, this is exactly what he means. Sleep over hype.
Смотри какой.
Fluffy white Samoyed has become the warmest mom to the little kitten.
Here's Peach and Pumpkin trying to.
Social media. Social media influencers.
Camille come on.
Taking care of
Listen, I've been a good boy. I've been a good
Take.
So, will you forgive me for sneaking out?
Carrots. Chicken.
Until it suddenly doesn't.
Come on.
They just met, but it's true. Birds of a feather play together. He needs a running start, and it's absolutely adorable.
give a cat something that moves to sit with.
One day your coworker shows up barefoot.
Double dua. Ticket. Jerry ticket.
No.
The famous Elizabeth I. I mean, it's just ridiculous. It's unsickable.
When you move to a new home, but immediately find the perfect cozy spot,
Goose. Moose! Oh my god. Moose!
Oh, your ball's stuck. Get your ball. Where's your ball? Goose, look down. Where's your ball? Easy Yeti girl. In a Yeti world. Come on.
Murdoch.
Her tail is just really cool.
Okay, don't eat her.
On high alert 24/7, but bro really thinks if he can't see you, you can't see him.
Puppy plus mirror.
Depending on me. Oh, look at your sweet little face.
Go cute. No, go downstairs. Go on. Cute.
Down the stairs doesn't remedy it.
What's wrong with you people? I am a... You are such a dork!
You guys want to come?
Guaranteed to win hearts.
Oh, he's so cute. Okay, thank you.
Wait, can you actually answer a quick question?
Oh my god.
Go potty? Is it cold out there? You wanna go outside? Let's go to the bathroom. Come on.
வீட்ல நாங்க அடைச்சு வச்சிட்டோம். அது எங்க போய் உட்கார்ந்திருக்கோம் பாருங்க.
Chile, América y el mundo.
Oh, wat? Nu komt ze.
Yeah, come on. Welcome. Okay, we'll watch together.
The veteran bullying the newbie here. It doesn't look good at all, buddy.
Life at home is never boring. Memorable.
Incredibly handsome intruder.
That's your leg.
These dudes can really cause chaos anywhere within their reach.
If I came to visit you, would you pet me?
The adorable adventure squad on a mission. The leader kitten. These two adorable babies are getting acquainted. Friendship begins with gentle
Zeke, gentle.
What do you have?
Chicken on the porch. Chicken on the porch. Chicken on the porch.
Embarrassing. You know that? That's embarrassing.
Whoa, we've got a giant cicada stealing the show right here.
This orange cat should probably appreciate his buddy who cares about his picky diet.
When you accidentally upset the patient and face...
Assim.
Sure.
Consider a seed. Move! Your tushy ain't royal. Hey, stop! No shame, huh?
Get told off all the time. Get told off for this, told off for that.
What are you doing? Come here.
Buddy.
Lilith. Lilith.
Dogs and cats really know how to melt our hearts.
Also, it lowers your heart.
Is like a baby. Why are you carrying her like that?
Because she likes it.
She does.
That's it. Good job.
Get that?
màu vàng. Nóng rồi đâu mà nóng, đang bật điều hòa đây.
Wise advice, never reveal your next move.
Pray drive. Go, baby, go. Scare him. Get him.
Oh my gosh. He's actually stalking him.
How many hearts do you see?
You watch me
Bleed until I can't breathe.
You gotta go potty. I know, I hear you. You've gotta go potty. Let's go.
About the world's best gelato.
puppy breath.
I knew it. I knowed I made a good choice.
In what?
Un besito. Un besito. Ya. Paz.
I've no worries with this noisy guard buddy around.
Give you a cookie.
Come here.
Have this kind of bulge where the skin is. I'm really self-conscious about my back.
Hey.
Where is it? Where's Dad? Find him.
Let me assess the situation. Oh, no real danger. Handle it yourself. Bye.
What, are you petting him? Are you petting him? What?
Pasaste muy mal en la internación. ¿Eh?
Oh my God!
Out. Let them go.
He caught it, that's why!
Roll over.
You got it.
No. Come on, lay down.
If you want birthday belly rubs? Okay, show us your belly. Okay.
Yes, Pete.
Hey, human, take some responsibility for this kiddo.
Monster's gone away.
Trudy's like, I'm sorry.
Weirder and weirder.
Any food critic is supervising quality control.
Means guaranteeing their safety 24/7, even with those 9 lives.
I wanna kill my mom. What the fuck? I wanna kill my dad.
It's coming from there.
This, he's already planning the next appointment. You might bump into a walking ball of cuteness.
Look at her face. Oh no, she's jumping.
Nothing makes the heart race faster and the tail wag harder than a full gathering.
大家好奇怪，为什么这个
What looks lazy is actually communication. Your
So cringe. Guilty.
Oh, you gotta let me open it. Ella.
He does it to talk.
Fur color, and it all makes sense.
The world's best hide-and-seek player versus
that? Come get him. Come over here. Come over.
Justice.
People like I'm gonna do what I want to do.
What's going on?
Dollar thinks he's a kitty cat.
Oh, somebody's really sneezy today.
Neck check.
Count 2, guilty. Count 3, guilty. Count 4.
All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth brain.
They all agreed not to make noise at night. Yeah, that didn't happen.
Thank you. Thanks for the promise.
The screen.
Even on the streets, they care for each other with all the tenderness in the world.
Anyone else wondering what this puppy is trying to summon?
Do you want breakfast?
Vai,